Alright, so what do we do with babies?
No.
No?
Mm-mm.
You don't know what we do with babies?
Mm-mm.
No. Why don't we whisper it? It's a secret. 3/4 of the people in this house. Ah! Up your nose! Up your nose! Up your nose! Stop!
Ooh, what's that?
And pizza.
Oh, sauce and pizza? Oh, that makes sense.
And more pizza. One more pizza. Dad.
Is it delicious?
Delicioso. Ah, I'm being attacked by monkeys.
Cuddles, cuddles.
I think this one's stuck.
Me, that too.
You stuck too? Oh. Holy cow.
Be bye.
Now then.
Boy, she's a terrible body to get rid of.
Be bye.
Be bye.
Ah, now where to get rid of this thing?
Flush it down the toilet.
No!
I know where we can get rid of it.
No! No! They touched it!
Maybe we can cook it.
No!
No?
Mm-mm.
So we can't bake it, but
I don't know, she is awfully sweet.
can we cook it? Just
No! No!
no?
No, you eat me then!
No, eat again?
Mm-mm.
We can't eat you again?
Mm-mm.
What are you, leftovers?
Mm-mm.
You can't inflate this thing.
He's gonna blow you up like a balloon.
What was that, woodchuck teeth?
No. Mommy, down.
Pull her down the stairs.
Ah,
No, down there.
come here, you.
No, down there. Dad, please, no.
No?
No.
But I just throw you outside. Just...
That sounds like fun.
Throw you outside like an irritating cat. Just...
Ow!
Am I gonna have to throw you outside like a cat? Alright. Again?
Yeah.
What's this so hot?
Again, Daddy.
It's funny.
It's funny.
Okay, get ready to watch the ball. Gotta watch it, grab it. Oh, you're backing up?
Up here.
Alright, hold on, it's Vanna's turn. Ready, Vanna? Get your arms ready.
Oh.
Don't that you? Okay. This is Hunter's turn, okay? You already had a turn. Hunter's turn. You'll get a turn after this turn, okay?
That's right. Wait your turn. Good girl.